Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoded, the place where we unpack the financial secrets of the business world. And today, wow, do we have a juicy one for you. It looks like GoHealth Incorporated is dropping some news and we are here to break it all down for you. Alright, so on the 13th of November 2025, GoHealth Incorporated released their financial results for the quarter that ended the 30th of September 2025. This is basically a mandatory report they have to submit to tell everyone how they have been doing financially. GoHealth Incorporated is a company that is involved in the health insurance marketplace. They help people find and enroll in health insurance plans, and they're listed on the Nasdaq Global Market under the ticker symbol GOCO. Now, typically these reports are packed with numbers, but the main event is usually the financial results and what they tell us about the company's health and future prospects. The company issued a press release to announce these results, and that is what is filed here as Exhibit 99.1, which is filed along with other documents. This press release gives us the highlights of their financial performance for the last 3 months. It is important to remember that while this information is available to the public, it is not considered filed in a way that makes them legally liable for errors under certain sections of the securities laws, unless they specifically incorporate it into other filings. The date of the report is the 13th of November 2025. This date is significant because it is the earliest event reported, which means it is the date they announced their financial results. Under item 9.01, their financial statements and exhibits, we see they've included the press release as Exhibit 99.1 and also Exhibit 104, which is their cover page interactive data file in XBRL format. XBR is basically a way to tag financial data so it can be easily processed by computers, which is great for us analysts and for transparency. Now, going back to the actual results as announced on the 13th of November 2025 for the quarter ending the 30th of September 2025. What do these numbers tell us? We are not given the press release content in this particular filing document. However, these 8K filings are usually a signal that major financial news has been released. To understand the true story, we typically need to look at the press release itself to see the key financial figures like revenue, profit, and any significant year-over-year changes. But based on how these are filed, it is usually because they've hit important milestones or have significant performance updates to share. We have to assume the press release is detailing their earnings, their profitability, and potentially guidance for the future, which are the things investors really care about. Let's think about what GoHealth does. They operate in the health insurance brokerage sector. This means they connect consumers with insurance providers. Their business model likely relies on commissions earned from selling these insurance policies. So what impacts them directly is the volume of sales, the cost of acquiring customers, and the overall health of the insurance market. Are people actively seeking insurance? Are the plans they sell profitable for the insurance companies, and therefore profitable for GoHealth? Thinking like Warren Buffett, we want to see if the company has a strong competitive advantage or a moat around its business. In GoHealth's case, their moat could be their technology platform, their brand recognition, or their established relationships with insurance carriers and customers. We also want to see consistent revenue growth and profitability. Are they making more money this year than last year? Are their profits growing faster than their revenues or vice versa? Without the actual numbers from the press release, we have to infer the significance of this filing. Companies usually file an 8K with a press release attached when they have something material to report. This could be strong earnings, disappointing earnings, a significant change in executive leadership, a major acquisition or divestiture, or even a material event like a cybersecurity breach. Given that this filing centers on results of operations and financial condition, it is highly probable they are either celebrating strong performance or bracing investors for less than stellar news. When we look at a company like GoHealth Incorporated or GoCo on the stock market, we want to understand their trajectory. Are they growing? Are they shrinking? Are their costs under control? For a company in the insurance brokerage space, a 20% drop in revenue might mean they lost 1 in 5 customers, or that the average commission earned per customer significantly decreased. On the flip side, a large increase in revenue could indicate successful marketing campaigns expanding into new markets or a surge in demand for health insurance. Speaking of leadership, we do see that Brendan Shanahan, Chief Financial Officer and Principal Financial Officer, has signed off on this report. This is standard procedure and indicates the accuracy of the financial disclosures from the perspective of the company's top financial executive. His signature is a formal acknowledgement of the information contained within the filing. So what is GoHealth's overall direction? Companies in this space are often affected by government regulations, changes in healthcare policy, and the competitive landscape. They are also reliant on technology to efficiently connect consumers with the right plans. Their success hinges on their ability to adapt to these changing dynamics and to effectively market their services. A notable risk for GoHealth could be increased competition from other brokers or even direct sales by insurance companies. Another risk is regulatory changes that might impact how insurance can be sold or advertised. On the opportunity side, they could expand into new lines of insurance or offer additional services to their customer base. In conclusion, this 8K filing from GoHealth, incorporated on the 13th of November 2025, serves as notification of their latest financial results. While the precise details are in the accompanying press release, this filing signifies a key update for investors and the market. We will be watching closely to see the actual numbers and what they reveal about the company's performance and strategic positioning. Alright, that is our initial look into this GoHealth filing. What are your first impressions and what do you hope to see in the actual press release? Let us know in the comments below if you found this breakdown helpful. Hit that like button and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more insights into the financial world. Don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.